If you just go to debit card or you're setting up Venmo for the first time, adding your card is the fastest way to start paying friends and unlocking instant cash outs. I'll show you exactly how to get it linked up in less than 2 minutes. So you open up your Venmo from the list of your apps, then look at the bottom right corner and tap on the Me tab, which should be located here if you're on the phone or a website. Once your profile page is loaded, look up at the top right corner and go to Settings, or right here. In the Settings menu, look down under the Preferences section and tap on the Payment Methods. This screen shows everything currently tied to your account. To add something new, look at the very bottom and tap on the blue text that says Add Bank or Card, which is right here. And then a menu will pop up giving you a few options, and then go ahead and select Card here from the menu. Now you can either hold your physical card up to your phone's camera to scan the numbers automatically, or just type them in manually in this screen. So you'll need to input your 16-digit card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code from the back. And also make sure you enter the exact zip code that matches the billing address on your bank statement. If that zip doesn't match, your bank might block the link. Once everything looks good, tap the green or blue Add button at the bottom right over here. Right, and just like that, your card is now locked in. The absolute best part about using this card on Venmo, so instead of standard bank account, it completely unlocks instant transfers. So the next time you move your Venmo cash to your real bank account, it will hit your balance in under 30 minutes instead of making you wait days. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy your added card. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe.